Hello and welcome back to Arise and Learn English. Today I'm going to share with you something very special. 20 easy and effective tips for beginners who want to speak English fluently and confidently. Now, let me tell you this. If you are a beginner, you don't need to worry. Fluency is not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. Everyone starts small, but with the right steps, you can improve every single day. So, let's dive in and explore these tips one by one. Tip 1. Make English a part of your daily life. If you only study English for 30 minutes and then forget about it, you won't improve much. But if you make it part of your lifestyle, you will see big results. Change your phone's language to English. Watch YouTube videos in English. Listen to music or podcasts in English. And read simple English posts online. Slowly, your brain will get used to English the same way a child learns their first language, by being surrounded by it all the time. Tip 2. Speak from day one. Don't wait until your grammar is perfect. That day will never come because perfection doesn't exist. Fluency comes from using the language, for example. If you only know the words I, eat, and apple, then say, I eat apple. It's okay if it's not grammatically perfect. The important thing is, you are speaking. Every sentence, even small, builds your confidence. Tip 3. Listen more than you speak. Listening is the foundation of speaking. Think about how babies learn their mother tongue. They listen for months before they say a single word. You should do the same. Listen to English podcasts, audiobooks, or graded readers with audio. Even if you don't understand everything, your ears will get used to the sounds, rhythm, and natural flow of English. Tip 4. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are not your enemy, they are your teachers. Every time you make a mistake, you are learning something new. Think about it. When a baby is learning to walk, they fall hundreds of times. But no one laughs at them, everyone cheers. You should treat yourself the same way. Don't be ashamed. Every mistake is a step toward fluency. Tip 5. Read every single day. Reading is like food for your brain, and graded readers are the best tool for beginners. They are written in simple English and allow you to enjoy stories while learning naturally. When you read daily, you learn new words, understand grammar without memorizing rules, and improve your imagination in English. Tip 6. Practice speaking out loud. Don't just read silently. Take a page from your graded reader and read it out loud. Then, close the book and try to repeat the same sentences in your own words. You can even record yourself, listen back, and notice where you need to improve. This exercise trains your mouth and tongue to get comfortable with English sounds. Tip 7. Think in English. Stop translating everything from your native language. If you keep translating, you will always speak slowly. Start small. Describe what you are doing in English. I am brushing my teeth. I am going to the shop. I am drinking tea. Over time, you will develop the habit of thinking directly in English, and this is a major step toward fluency. Tip 8. Keep a daily journal. Writing helps you organize your thoughts in English. Write just 3 to 5 sentences every day. For example, today was a sunny day. I went to the market. I bought some fruits. simple, clear, and effective. When you do this daily, you'll see your sentences becoming longer and more natural. Tip 9. Learn phrases, not just single words. Vocabulary is important, but words alone don't make you fluent. If you only know the word book, you might not know how to use it in real life. But if you learn the phrase, "Can I borrow your book?" or "This book is very interesting," you can actually use English in real situations. Phrases make your language sound natural. Tip 10. Repeat to remember. Repetition is the key to memory. If you learn a new word or phrase, don't just say it once. Use it again and again during the day. For example, if you learn "How are you doing?" try to use it with different friends. The more you repeat, the more natural it becomes. Tip 11. Use body language. Communication is not only about words. Smiling, using hand gestures, and showing expressions make your English more powerful. Even if you forget a word, your body language can help you communicate. Plus, it gives you confidence when speaking. Tip 12. Watch English movies with subtitles. This is fun and effective. Start with subtitles in your native language. Then switch to English subtitles. Finally, try watching without subtitles. You'll be surprised how much you understand just by listening. And the bonus, you'll also pick up natural expressions that textbooks never teach. Tip 13. Learn one new word every day. Many learners try to memorize 50 words in one day and forget them all the next. Instead, learn just one new word a day, but use it in your conversations and writing. In 1 year, you'll know 365 useful words, and if you use them regularly, they'll become part of your active vocabulary. Tip 14. Shadow native speakers. Pick a sentence from a movie or podcast and repeat it exactly like the speaker. Copy their accent, tone, and rhythm. For example, if the speaker says, "What are you doing?" try to say it in the same way. This technique is called shadowing, and it's one of the fastest ways to improve pronunciation. Tip 15. Find a speaking partner. Speaking alone is good, but speaking with someone else is even better. It could be a friend who is also learning, or a language partner online. You don't need a teacher to practice. Even 10 minutes of conversation every day can boost your confidence massively. Tip 16. Use apps and technology wisely. There are many apps like Duolingo, HelloTalk, Anki, and LingQ that can support your learning. But remember, apps are tools, not the whole journey. Use them to review vocabulary, practice listening, or chat with others, but never forget, real fluency comes from speaking and listening daily. Tip 17. Be consistent. Learning English is like building a muscle. You can't go to the gym once and expect six-pack abs. In the same way, you can't study English once a week and expect fluency. Even 15 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. Small, daily practice creates big results. Tip 18. Be patient with yourself. Don't compare yourself with others. Maybe your friend learns faster, or maybe someone else has a better accent. That doesn't matter. What matters is your progress. English is a journey, not a race. Walk at your own pace, but keep walking. Tip 19. Celebrate small wins. If you watch a movie and understand one line, celebrate it. If you manage to order food in English, celebrate it. These small victories motivate you to keep going. Success is built on small, consistent wins. Tip 20. Enjoy the process. This is the most important tip of all. Don't treat English like a burden or homework. Make it fun. Learn through your hobbies. If you love cooking, watch recipes in English. If you like football, read news in English. When you enjoy learning, fluency comes naturally. So my friend, these were 20 powerful and practical tips for beginners who want to master English fluency. Remember, fluency is not about knowing every grammar rule. It's about communication, practice, and confidence. If you follow these tips step by step, your English will improve day by day, and soon you'll be surprised at how fluent you've become. Thank you so much for watching Arise and Learn English. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who also want to learn English. Together, we can make learning simple, enjoyable, and effective. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep learning. See you in the next video!